It's been a while since I've uploaded a video. This summer has been a little out of the ordinary for me. I'll probably make a video about it in the future. We arrived in the Yellowstone National Forest, just south of West Yellowstone, Montana. We have to maintain forward motion. Heading up a forest road, we towed our camper about 5 miles in. The road was narrow and a little rough at times, but the drive was fantastic. We found one of the few spots big enough for us to camp. Yeah, this is what we're looking for. It's, I don't know, let's see what time it is. It's about 8:45 in the morning on September 19th, so technically it's still summertime. And we are up in about 5 miles south of West Yellowstone, up in the National Forest, up in the mountains. And this morning, it was about 40 degrees when I got up around 6. And it's now into the low 30s. Technically it still is summer for a few more days. This happened last year as well when we were in the Black Hills in South Dakota. It snowed right toward the end of the summer as well. We'll see if it accumulates. It's definitely sticking. It's only been snowing for about a half an hour. And you know, of course, it started like normal. It started raining and turned to sleet, and now it's snowing. But we'll see what comes about. We don't really have any plans on going anywhere today and tomorrow, probably. Possibly tomorrow, but we'll see. I think by Tuesday it's supposed to be warm back up again. But today's high was only around 40, and that may have been this morning like 6. So we'll see. But hopefully, I wouldn't mind getting a nice blanket of snow up here. Definitely could afford some different opportunities for photographs in the woodlands here. Yeah, we do have the generator running. As you can see, not much sun today, so solar doesn't really do much on a day like this. But it's beautiful, our first snow of the season. We got about an inch of snow last night. Not much overnight, but it's a beautiful morning. I'm gonna try and get a few shots out here in the woodlands with the snow. There's a lot of deadfall out here, so can't really see it right now. About 28 degrees out. It's a little chilly this morning, but yeah, we got a winter storm yesterday. might move over here. Try a different spot. It's really thick in this forest. It's all pines, but looking for a good foreground element. I was trying to use these rocks over here, but it's just a little too thick and not really working for me. Not every trip results in keeper images. Sometimes it's just about being in nature, enjoying your time in the forest, and that's enough. It's a foggy morning. I'll walk up into the forest, see if this fog will work with some photos through the pines. Sun's already up. I'm hoping the sun will burn off a little bit and poke through with some rays. We'll see. We're going to wander around a little bit this morning through all these trees and see if we can pick out some compositions. I did just get a shot here, right down. There's one tree right down the center here. It kind of created like a leading line area with the trees on either side, creating a little bit of dimension. Did find a couple of game trails up here. Up in this forest we haven't seen much, but it hasn't been used in a while. The tracks are old, the scat is old, and what I've seen so far is signs of elk. The only wildlife that I've seen up here so far are birds, woodpeckers, and a few others. A lot of deadfall up in here. It's been here for quite a while, probably from an old forest fire. And the trees are, I don't know, probably 50 to 80 feet tall. Still foggy, but it is starting to lift a little. There's a game trail that runs right along here. And I have my camera set up right beside it. It goes on up through the forest toward the forest road up over there, probably 150 yards or so. There's definitely some game trails through this forest, but unfortunately right now I haven't seen much game. That's alright. Not even set up for wildlife this morning. Trying to get some nice woodland shots with the fog, and actually using my 105 macro this morning. Trying to get some crisp shots. In all honesty, I'm kind of, my 24-70 is a fantastic landscape lens, but you have a few scratches on it and I have to constantly deal with those in post. Gotta watch your step. There's a lot of soft ground and deadfall. The sun still hasn't burned off yet. It's over in that direction. It's just very quiet, cool. I think it was about 28, 30 degrees this morning. There's no wind. It's quite nice. It's got this kind of an eerie beauty about it this morning. These trees that are bowed over are pretty fascinating, actually. Might try to work this scene a little bit. A few minutes ago I did hear an elk bugling in the distance, but it was very faint. It was miles away. But it's kind of majestic in the forest like it is right now. Hearing the bugle of an elk. Beautiful. Thank you for coming along with me for a walk in the woodlands. Please give a like and share if you enjoyed my video. Subscribe to my channel for more upcoming adventures in nature. Thank you for watching.